paano ka pa malulugi with a 550 na tubo? May nabasa ako yesterday about a post of a business na nalugi after 4 years. It's a cake business, may following, and marami daw silang sales according to the owner. So ang tinanong sa kanya ngayon, how much do you sell your best selling cake? And ang sagot niya, 950. And kinuwenta nila how much yung ingredients, and in total 400. If you think about it, may 550 ka pa na tubo and medyo malaki siya, di ba? So paano ka pa malulugi with a 550 na tubo? Ito yung nangyari. Nalimutan ni owner to account for other costs including rent, yung kuryente, syempre sarili niyang oras, yung mga grab food commissions, and yung mga nasisirang ingredients. Nirecompute nila, 880 pala yung total na gastos and you're selling it for 950 and tumutubo ka lang ng 70 pesos per cake. So in the end, lugi, hindi worth it yung business niya. And this is a reality na maraming negosyo na experience nila to. Na kapag you're costing your product or your service, baka meron ka nalilimutan i-consider. Kung feel mo na marami ka namang benta pero hindi ka pa rin kumikita, trust your gut and check your costs, baka nga lugi ka talaga.